Hi Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless. You can be open to any messages anytime you come across this video. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Pisces. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Pisces. 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 Messages, mga paparating na energies and messages for Pisces. Page of Wands. Okay. Bagong opportunity. New opportunity para sa inyo, Pisces, sa trabaho. Okay. You are excited about it. Kailangan ng inyong creativity. Oh. Eight of Swords. Kailangan nyo ng confidence or tiwala sa sarili. Okay, yung iba sa inyo nag-overthink, okay, negative, you are negative thinking about an opportunity. Feeling mo parang hindi mo kaya or wala nang magandang opportunity na paparating sa inyo. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo may bagong direksyon. Sa work man to, sa career, business, okay, bagong opportunity. Yeah, take a chance on the opportunity. Kung meron mang ino-offer sa inyo, take the chance. Be confident. The Chariot. Yes, kailangan mo magkaroon or magkakaroon ka ng willpower and confidence to achieve your goals. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong travel. Or international. Travel abroad. Yeah. Or may bagong opportunity abroad para sa inyo. Job offer. So, have confidence, Pisces. Believe in yourself. Nahirapan kayo sa sitwasyon mo, but you need to move forward. Okay? Yeah, judgment, new direction para sa inyo. Change of job, change of location, change of address, home address. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be assessing yourself. Okay? Self-evaluation. Ano yung path na para sa inyo? Ano yung tamang direksyon? Okay? Nag-iisip kayo kung magpapag or magpapalit ba kayo ng trabaho. Okay? Yes. Merong movement, bagong direksyon para sa inyo, Pisces. The Emperor. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need to organize your thoughts. Think about the future. Okay? Plan ahead. Be strategic. Okay? Long-term planning kailangan sa inyo, sa trabaho mo, sa career. The Hierophant. Okay? Yeah. Bagong institusyon. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you will be seeking advice kung ano yung maganda or tamang gawin para sa inyo. Okay? Kung anong direksyon yung kailangan ninyong i-take. Okay? Yeah, new learnings for you. Changes na mangyayari. Yeah. For some, you are going back to school or meron kayong inaaral or minamaster na skills or talents. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo mag-aaral. Okay? Will learn new skills. Okay? For some, your hard work and your skilled work will be rewarded. Okay? You are accomplishing something. The lovers, you have to weigh your options. Okay? Be smart, be wise sa inyong mga desisyon or sa inyong mga choices. Most especially, if you are dealing or may concerns kayo about intimate relationship or love relationship. Okay. Yeah, for some, yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip kayo about expansion. That's why you are learning new things, new skills, new talents, okay? Yeah. Inner conflict. Yeah. For some of you, meron kayong mga desisyon na gagawin about sa relationship. You are conflicted, parang hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo. Yeah, there is a question about principles and morals. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba, merong competition. Maybe sa work to, sa trabaho. Yes, competition about partnership. Okay? Sometimes, merong mga nonsense na mga arguments and fighting. Okay? In the relationship. Kailan mo i-let go. Okay? You need to move forward. Yeah. The star. Abundance. Okay? Plentiful. Blessings and abundance. Para sa inyo, Pisces. Merong healing in your situation. Okay? Meron kayong guiding star. Yeah, you need to move forward on your business or kung meron kayong mga creative endeavors, okay, passion projects, be confident, be bold, okay? Yeah, you are finding strength and faith in yourself, okay? Kung meron kayong negosyo or business na gagawin, okay? Kung ano man yan, you will be successful. Okay? Dahil meron kayong kakayahan to do it. So, you need to believe in yourself, Pisces. Kailangan nyo magtiwala sa sarili at sa inyong kakayahan. Yeah. Kung may mga creative projects kayong gagawin, okay? You will be successful in doing it. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong kailangan ng inyong tulong, most especially when it comes to money. Okay? They need your support, they need your compassion. Okay? Or for some, they need your advice. Or this is you, Pisces, it's the other way around. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. The Tower. The tower must fall in order for something new can be built. Okay? May mga kailangang baguhin, sudden changes. Okay? May pagbabago sa sistema na mangyayari or sa inyong sitwasyon. It is meant to happen. Pisces, okay? Yeah. So that something new or better can be built. So, may kailangang baguhin sa inyong sitwasyon. Parang nakatadhana or kinakailangan mangyari to, itong distraction or chaos. Okay? Sa sarili mo man to or sa inyong sitwasyon, merong changes na mangyayari. Okay? Yeah. Good news about financial matters for you. Okay? May good news na paparating. Yeah. For some of you, maybe you are quitting a job and get something new, a better job. Okay? Okay. Yeah. For some, merong issues sa work, okay? Merong competition, hindi pagkakaintindihan, okay? Most especially kung merong love relationship or intimate relationship in the work area or in your work. Okay. So, merong distraction, merong chaos na mangyayari so that something new can be built. Okay? Something better. Okay. So, you have to make smart or wise decision or choices, Pisces. Okay? Para sa sarili mo. Okay? Yeah. Get out from the competition. Get out from any nonsense na mga arguments or fighting or hindi maayos na relasyon. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. It's time for you, for some of you, to take a new direction. Okay? After some evaluation, self-assessment or evaluation. Okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, Pisces, but ito yung mga energies para sa inyo. Okay? There will be healing, abundance, and blessings for you. Kailan mo lang maging confident sa sarili, magtiwala, be bold. And kung meron kayo mga creative projects or business na umpisahan, do it. You will be successful sa negosyo or sa creative projects na yan. Okay? Someone also will be expressing their love to you and it is something na destructive, okay? Na parang ikagugulat mo or that will destroy or distract your system, yung sistema mo. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may kailangan kayong ayusin about sa inyong relationship. Okay? You need to be logical. Okay? Yeah, for some, you have issues or concerns about your marriage na kailangan ayusin. Okay? There is question about morality or morals. Yeah. You have a decision to make, Pisces. You are juggling things, or you are juggling two situations, two people. Yeah, two people. Yeah, meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin about partnership, about relationship. King of Pentacles. Yeah, for some of you, may mga opportunities na darating para sa inyo. Okay? You need to take your chance. Yeah. Be smart and wise also when it comes to your career or in choosing jobs or opportunities. Yeah, yung sa inyo, you have sleepless nights, may mga anxieties and worries over something. Okay? Maybe about a partnership or about two people. Okay? You are worried and you need to make a decision. You are juggling two situations. Let's see ano pa for Pisces. Messages and energies for Pisces. Public face. Follow your heart. Become who you want to be. Earn a reputation. It's okay to be yourself. Okay. Gambling. Excessive gambling can have dangerous consequences. Don't risk too much. Okay. Sa mga nagsusugal dyan, okay, or involved sa gambling, don't risk too much. Have control. Okay. Yeah. Wellness. Ensure your body is nourished. Join a gym and regain strength. Live a healthier lifestyle. Okay. Ano yung messages from the angel for Pisces, please? Cooperation instead of competition. What's yours is yours and no one can take it from you. There is no need to compete as there is an abundance for all. You have complete access to unlimited abundance for yourself and to share with others. With cooperative partnerships, you can accomplish anything. Okay. Spirit messages. What is your message for Pisces? Message for Pisces. Spirit message for Pisces. Be clear about where you are putting your focus right now. Focus on your desired outcome. You have everything within to create the life of your dreams. Stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time. We've got you. Okay. So, Pisces, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!